Have you ever wondered how data mining works? Well, let's dive right into it. Data mining isn't about pickaxes and hard hats, but it's a similarly exploratory process. It's all about discovering patterns and knowledge from large amounts of data. Now, why is this important? In today's data-driven age, it's a crucial aspect of modern business science. Let's take a moment to appreciate the ubiquity of data mining. It plays a key role in various fields such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive analytics. These are terms you've probably heard buzzing around the tech sphere. Each of these areas leverage data mining to make sense of complex data and predict future trends. So if you've been curious about what's happening behind the scenes when your online shopping app suggests items based on your past purchases, or how your email filters out spam, you're about to get your answers. In the next few minutes, you will understand the step-by-step process of data mining. The first step in data mining is defining the problem. It's like setting the destination before you start your journey. Maybe you're a business looking to reduce customer churn, or perhaps you're a scientist trying to identify a new element. Whatever your aim, a clear problem definition is your guiding star. It's the compass that directs your data mining project, steering you towards your objective. So let's get that problem defined, and then we can move on to the next step, which is data collection. The next step is to gather the data that will be used. Now, this might seem straightforward, but data collection is a crucial process that requires careful consideration. You see, the data we gather can come from a plethora of sources. It could be from databases, data warehouses, or even the vast expanse of the internet. But it's not just about collecting any data. The data we gather needs to be relevant to the problem we're trying to solve. It's like gathering the right ingredients for a recipe. You wouldn't use apples to make a spaghetti sauce, would you? Once we've gathered our data, we need to ensure it's clean and pre-processed. This is important to maintain the quality of the data and to ensure that any conclusions we draw from it are reliable and valid. So once we have our data carefully selected and cleaned, we're ready to take it to the next level. After collecting and cleaning the data, we can proceed to the next step, which is data analysis. With the data collected and cleaned, we now come to the heart of the process, which is data analysis. This critical stage involves the application of mathematical and statistical techniques to discover hidden patterns and relationships within the data. The exact methods used can vary greatly depending on the nature of the problem and the type of data at hand. For example, data with a temporal component might be analyzed using time series analysis, whereas categorical data could be examined using chi-square tests. Regression analysis might be used to predict future trends, while cluster analysis could identify distinct groups within the data. In recent years, machine learning algorithms have become an integral part of data analysis. These algorithms automatically learn and improve from experience without being explicitly programmed, making them incredibly powerful tools for extracting valuable insights from large datasets. Once the data analysis is done, we move on to the final step, which is interpretation and evaluation. Having analyzed the data, the final step is to interpret and evaluate the results. This stage is where we make sense of the patterns and trends unearthed during analysis. It's not just about understanding what the data says, but also discerning what it means in the context of our problem. So we've analyzed and we have findings. What's next? We use these findings to make informed decisions or predictions. For instance, if we were mining data to predict customer behavior, our findings might influence our marketing strategy. However, it's crucial not to take these findings at face value. We need to evaluate them, critically assessing their reliability and validity. Are the results consistent? Are they truly reflective of the problem at hand? These are the questions we must ask to ensure our results are not just interesting, but also actionable and trustworthy. And that, in a nutshell, is the process of data mining. From defining the problem, collecting data, analyzing it, to interpreting and evaluating the results. So, to recap the process of data mining, we've journeyed through defining the problem, collecting relevant data, analyzing it, and finally interpreting and evaluating our findings. Each step is a crucial building block, shaping the foundation for the next, creating a cohesive, effective process. These steps are the heart of data mining, enabling us to extract valuable knowledge from vast datasets. Remember, data mining is a powerful tool that can help unlock valuable insights from large sets of data, so keep exploring, keep learning, and keep mining those data.